In nature, many common substances are ionic. This means that the atoms are in the form of charged particles. An ion can be positively charged, or conversely, it can be negatively charged. Here's what happens. You'll have a metal, and it has outer electrons, and you have a nonmetal that also has outer electrons. The nonmetal will strip away one or more of the metal's outer electrons and bring it into its outermost shell. When this happens, the number of protons no longer equals the number of electrons, and it's the case with the nonmetals. Now we have more electrons than we do protons, and in the metal we have more protons than we do electrons. And thus the metal takes on an overall positive charge, while the nonmetal, since it has more electrons that are negatively charged, it takes on an overall more negative charge.